Hello, I'm 003, from the Earth 200 years later. Please subscribe to me. The CEO of Huawei has said that China has the world's top chip design capabilities. It has the most advanced chip-making process in the world. Because photolithography and chemical materials cannot be completed, Chinese companies are unable to manufacture high-end chips on their own. According to the public information of Huawei Hace, the EDA software used by Hace to design chips comes from Synopsys, Cadence and Mentor, three American companies. Due to the US crackdown, these three companies have stopped licensing new versions of EDA software to Huawei Hace. Perhaps there are still many people who do not know what EDA software is. Today, I will give a brief introduction. EDA full name is Electronics Design Automation. It can help engineers automatically complete circuit design, performance analysis, design out the IC layout and other work. It is an essential tool for designing chips and is therefore called the cradle of integrated circuits. According to the data released by the 2020 World Semiconductor Conference, more than 85% of China's EDA market share is monopolized by overseas EDA companies, and China's EDA software market share is only 10%. Perhaps there is a question in everyone's mind. There are many excellent semiconductor companies in China. Why can't they build an EDA software with market competitiveness? I think there are three main reasons. First, the return on investment cycle is long. EDA software is the most upstream of the chip design field. Not only the technical barriers are very strong, it requires a lot of investment in human and material resources, and the return on investment cycle is long, which is the main reason why Chinese semiconductor companies are not willing to make efforts in the field of EDA software. Second, the lack of talent. According to industry sources, EDA software is to use software to design hardware, so the need to develop EDA software chief engineers should not only understand the software architecture, but also understand the hardware design aspects of knowledge. In addition, China's research and development of EDA software less than 2,000 researchers, and less than 500 local researchers. In contrast, the US EDA software triumvirate, R&D staff are more than 5,000. For all these three reasons, Chinese EDA software vendors are unable to compete head-to-head with foreign companies. Fortunately, China's MIIT has stated that it will vigorously promote the development of domestic EDA (CDA) this year, and that Chinese companies have made a major breakthrough. On May 17, according to Chinese media reports, the Chinese EDA software vendor announced that its self-developed M Simulation Suite has successfully passed the 8LPP process technology certification of Samsung's fabs. For the core and semiconductor in the EDA software achieved a major breakthrough. Foreign media have posted that China's chip industry chain has completed the last piece of the puzzle, and will soon be able to achieve the localization of high-end chips. I think, compared with the US, Chinese EDA companies are still relatively backward technology. A short period of time cannot achieve the international manufacturers' overtake, but has been able to achieve domestic replacement.